Here at Downers Grove South, many students are involved in athletics or enjoy working out frequently. While this can have many benefits for students, there is also a danger of obsessiveness that comes with this that can take over a student's life. Let's look at Rupert Chua and how his workout routine impacts his daily life.
Well, I try to center my schedule around how I work out, so I try working out and then doing my homework, or working out and then hanging out with friends, but I usually just center it around that. I try to get at least 8 to 9 hours, but classes has been pretty tough, I guess, so for the past couple of weeks I've only gotten 6.
I think one of the challenges for student athletes is trying to balance putting in the effort to meet your goals in a sport without trying to do too much, where you're just feeling constantly exhausted physically and mentally from it. And that's where I really think there are some student athletes in the school that are probably spending 30 plus hours a week training, and that's certainly going to burn you out and wipe you out. It's just the belief that you constantly need to be doing something to keep up with everybody else, and if it's feeling like something you have to do rather than something you get to do, then you might be at a point where it's too much.
Overall, while physical health is very important, it's also necessary for students to take breaks when they need it for their mental health. In Downers Grove South with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Jillian Oberly.